Hello everybody and welcome back. It is Michael from Hollow Thrills back with another video, and you might see a little bit blurry behind me, but it says Hersheypark behind me, and that is because we are here for our very last trip, at least for now, here at Hersheypark. And we have a special guest that will be joining me today. Connor and his girlfriend, Connor FL from the Boo Bros, is here in Pennsylvania taking a trip to all of our fantastic parks in the state. So I am super excited to be able to join him for his first time here at Hersheypark. It's going to be great. We're going to be going on all the coasters to get him all the coaster credits that we possibly can. But it's going to be super fun. He'll be joining us in a little bit. But thank you, Hersheypark, for inviting us out here and giving us tickets and allowing us to be able to come out here and check out this fantastic park. And hopefully Wildcats Revenge is open today for us to get some more rides on it. I'm excited for today. It's going to be great. But before we get into anything, please make sure that you drop a like, subscribe, comment, do all the stuff. Make sure to follow me both Instagram and Twitter. The links are down in the description below. Do all of it. But it's going to be a fantastic day today. But let's head on in. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Spotted. All right, Connor.
Hello.
Wildcats Revenge is closed.
It is. It is.
Not looking good so far.
Not looking good so far, but at least I rode Phoenix.
Yes, yes, that is true. You rode Phoenix on your trips here so far.
I did.
But we got to go to probably one of the worst operating attractions here in the park, and that's Laugh Track.
Gotta get the credit, you know what I mean?
It's just they're really slow ops. I don't know what to tell you.
That's why we're here in the morning.
Yeah, there's already a line. All right, Connor. Laugh Track. What'd you think?
It was pretty fun. It spun a little bit, but not like enough to make me sick, which was good.
Yeah,
the cool like theming colors. It was fun. I liked it.
I enjoy it. It's not really. It's kind of just like a baby ride, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean,
it's very smooth though. It is very
smooth. It's a good way to start the day.
Yeah. It honestly, for us, for the ride being as unbalanced as it was, yeah, we did not spin nearly as much as I thought we were going to.
Because we had 3 people, so I honestly thought it was going to spin like crazy. But
we're heading towards Fahrenheit, right? Fahrenheit. Yeah. Wildcat, still not open.
I can't believe this.
This is a shame. But yeah, Fahrenheit, we're gonna knock out the 2 probably slowest operating rides here at the park. Super early as early as we can, just to get them out of the way. Woo, Fahrenheit. An Intamin beast that kind of looks like a Gerschlauer, but isn't. It's been a while since I've been on Fahrenheit, to be completely honest. I'm excited to get back on it. All right, Connor, Fahrenheit in the books, our number 2 coaster of today. What did you think?
First of all, A+ to Hersheypark for running 3 trains.
Yes.
Second of all, I thought it was fun. There were a couple rattly moments, like valleys after some of the inversions and stuff. Yeah. And the over-the-shoulder restraints are pretty painful if you're tall. But overall, it's a fun ride, good drop, good layout. I like it. Yeah,
it's just as rattly as I remember the last time I went on it. Yeah, it's just, I don't get why there's parts that just feel like you're driving over a rumble strip. It doesn't make sense to me. It really doesn't, but it's a pretty good coaster. I mean, definitely shows its age a little bit in some areas. Well, they have both sides going today, but the back 2 rows on both sides are not open. Interesting. I know you went out yesterday, so this is technically your second ride on it.
Second ride.
But Stormrunner, what are your thoughts?
I mean, it's fire. Like the launch is incredibly powerful. Was it flying snake dive? You said it's called?
Yeah, the flying snake dive.
What an element! Like,
I love it, man.
It's really good. I mean, again, similar to Fahrenheit. Like if you're tall, it comes down in the shoulders a bit.
Yeah.
But the ride is very good. It's very good.
Yeah, I mean, it was my favorite ride in the park prior to Wildcat for a reason. It is that, like he said, that forceful launch right there, the flying snake dive. My only thing, wish it was a little bit longer, but what it has, like it does the best with what it can do in its very short layout. I absolutely love Stormrunner, but we have a couple more rides that we're gonna head back down to the boardwalk to do. Hopefully we see some Wildcats Revenge testing, maybe. I don't know, but we got Wild Mouse and Lightning Racer?
Lightning Racer, yeah, that's the plan.
So I just checked my log ride, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've ever been on the Wild Mouse here, so this is actually a new credit for me. Even though I've been to this park a lot of times, I don't think I've ever been on Wild Mouse, so this is a new credit. Sweet! Alright, after coaster credit 167, I believe, we are now here riding Lightning Racer. We're gonna get a win this time, I think. We lost last time, Lightning cheated last time, but we got Thunder this time. I always back Thunder, man. Thunder for the win. Alright, so we got done Wild Mouse and Lightning Racer. Out of the two, which was your favorite?
I mean, Lightning Racer was definitely better.
Yeah.
I mean, it had some rough patches, but it wasn't too bad.
Yeah, Wild Mouse hurt. Lightning Racer definitely could use some Titan track in certain areas. But we were on Thunder. We got the dub, you know.
We got the win.
And the winner is
Thunder. Again. It's always Thunder.
It's always Thunder. But no, Lightning Racer was great. I love Lightning Racer. I really hope it gets some love during the off season and maybe at least some track replacements on parts of it. But other than that, it's a great ride as always. I think we're gonna go check out the Kissing Tower because I've actually never gone on the Kissing Tower during the day. So we're gonna get a cool like overview of the entire park. We made it to the Kissing Tower. That is a long walk to get here. I forgot how long that is from down there. But we're gonna go on the Kissing Tower and get a really nice look over the entire park. All right, Connor, we had some lunch. Where are we going next?
We're going to Candemonium. It's hyper time.
Oh yeah, B&M time. B&M hyper, it's, I don't know, man. I think it's better than Mako.
I'll let you know. Mako's pretty high in my list. I think it's top 10, so it's a tall order.
I don't know. I mean, I would like to say it's one of my favorite B&Ms I've been on, but then again, we're going to go on a better one tomorrow with Nitro, so we'll see.
I'll be the judge of that.
Well, it looks like the line is closed, so I guess we're not going on this right now. So I guess there is downtime right now because they're just continually sending empty cars. And that line is pushing 90 minutes right now, so yeah, we might have to come back and get this a little later. With Candemonium closed, we're going on Sky Rush instead. Connor went on it yesterday, but we're going to go on it again. We're just kind of going to pick whatever row we can get because the line's looking pretty long. Okay, Connor, it's been a while since we did a little bit of a check-in.
Yeah.
We got on a quick wait for Sky Rush, and then we decided to wait in a really long line for Super Duper Looper.
Yeah, it took almost an hour to get through that line.
One train ops, we love it. One train ops. But second ride for you on Sky Rush, what'd you think?
It's pretty awesome. I mean, the restraints definitely come down. I said this in my video, like my legs are kind of small, so it isn't like horrible for me. Yeah. But it does absolutely like stifle some of the airtime that would be there otherwise. Yeah. But the pacing is like unbelievable.
Oh my god, yeah.
And the first drop with the little kink in it, it's like scary in a good way.
Yeah, I love Sky Rush. If it wasn't for Storm Runner, it'd be the best instrument in the park. Yeah. But then Super Duper Looper, only the best.
You know, like he said, we waited a really long time, and it wasn't great. I'll be honest, it wasn't great. It was all right, I guess.
It's like a kiddie coaster with a loop.
Basically, it doesn't do much.
Yeah, it's pretty slow the rest of the ride.
Yeah.
You get the one element out of the way right at the beginning, and then
you just kind of meander.
You just kind of coast for the rest of the ride.
Yeah.
I don't know. I really enjoy the move. I really enjoy.
Rule of thumb: don't be like this kid.
You suck. The coaster, to me, it's just a really kind of relaxing coaster.
Yeah, that's fair.
Especially going on Sky Rush.
You get like the water setting, like.
Yeah.
You know.
It's enjoyable. But we're gonna see if we can get on Candemonium now. Finally.
Hopefully. Yeah.
We'll see. It's supposedly open according to the app. We'll see. We'll see. All right, Connor. So nice. We had to do it twice.
Amazing. Amazing.
Now, inquiring minds want to know.
Oh, yeah?
Is it better than Mako?
I think it might be a little better than Mako. The first part is quite similar. but the finale here is just a little better. The Mako finale doesn't really do much, but this you at least get the visual of the fountain, which is really cool. So I think Candemonium by a hair. Candemonium by a hair.
Eat your heart out, Floridians. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Mako mid.
Well, let's not go that far. Let's not go that far.
Mid. But yeah, we went on Candemonium twice. We actually had some really great rides. It's moving pretty well today. A lot of floater air time. I love this coaster. It might have jumped up a few rankings with this ride through that we did today. I really enjoyed our ride throughs today. All right, we are walking back up through the front of the park here as we're heading back to Great Bear. We're gonna get on that, as I believe that is our last coaster that is here today. Unfortunately, Wildcats Revenge is not open for today. It's not gonna be open for today, so.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, well, change of plans. We were gonna go to Great Bear, but Connor says the app says that Wildcats Revenge is open. So we're running back there. I'm going to kick the crap out of him if we go there and it's not. So I hope he's prepared for that. Holy shit.
Oh.
Holy shit.
They said.
Holy shit.
They said it was.
Holy shit. All right, after a semi-long wait, but it doesn't matter. It was kind of worth it. We finally got off Wildcats Revenge. We rode in the back.
Yep.
What do you think?
It's elite. It's crazy. The airtime is like dangerous. It was awesome.
Best ride in the park?
Best ride in the park for sure.
Oh yeah.
Best ride in the park.
Oh yeah. They have a winner here.
Absolutely.
But I just can't hold off. This man's talking a whole bunch of blasphemy. Gwazi is not anywhere close to this.
Nah, Gwazi's definitely better. It's got more height, which leads to more speed. The inversions are a little crazier.
Yeah, but the pacing on this is so much better. This pacing.
Pacing might be a little better, but
this man is doing a full sprint the entire ride. Gwazi's just like, I'm just gonna like crawl through some sections.
Pacing might be a bit better, but I think Gwazi's inversions and airtime pop more, and I think that's because of that added height and speed. So you gotta give it to Gwaz.
I don't know, man. I don't know about that, but it happened. It opened. We got on it.
I can't believe we even got to ride it.
Yeah, neither can I. He's getting too lucky.
I know.
He's getting too lucky.
I know.
But we have Great Bear left. That's all we have left, right?
Yep, that's it.
Because we skipped that to go on that, but we got Great Bear and then we're done here pretty much.
Yep.
We made it. The promised land. Great Bear, our last coaster here to get on at Hersheypark. Thank God. And just like that, we are done here. We got done with Great Bear. What did you think of Great Bear?
It's really good. Very smooth, very unique. One of the more unique B&M inverts I've been on because of how it uses the terrain.
Yeah.
No, it's good. I like it.
Yeah, I mean, it is, like I keep telling him, one of the most underrated B&M inverts. I think that it is really good for what it actually is. And like I kept saying, like it's probably second or third favorite B&M invert that I've been on. It's really, really good when it's moving. And in the back, we were getting pulled through the layout like I expected we would.
Yeah.
It was very good. But yeah, that's everything here. So number one.
It's Wildcat.
Okay.
It's Wildcat.
Obviously.
It's Wildcat.
Last place.
Last place. Oh man. Actually, I mean, this is kind of a dumb answer because like it's like an is what it is kind of ride, but it's probably Trailblazer.
Yeah.
You know, not that it like sucks, but like it can't stack up to like the big thrill coasters.
Now we still got one more park, but it's not in Pennsylvania. So out of your 3 Pennsylvania parks that you went to this trip, which is your favorite?
I really love this place, but I just feel like Knoebels is like, there's just something about it. It's just magic.
Knoebels is home away from home. It really is. It is so good. All right, we are clocking out here at Hersheypark. We had a great day here. Got on basically everything except for a couple of rides that Connor did prior to us getting here, or prior to me getting here. Honestly, great day, great last time at this park for me for now. We'll see when the next time I can get back here is, but I'm gonna miss some of the rides. Glad I got a bunch of rides on Wildcat when I still could. I don't know what else to say. It's been good. It's been good. Thank you again to Hersheypark for inviting me out here to check out this stuff. I truly appreciate it. But as always, I'm Michael from Hollow Thrills, giving you all clear, and all clear means you're out of here. See you guys next time.